Alright, yo, what's up guys? Iron J Moto, whoop, whoop, whoop. And we got a little bit of a crew. I think we're about to do a little city run where we're gonna go gas up and yeah, man. I don't got my front camera, so bear with me as I just do a bunch of cuts. Gotta turn the bike on. Woo! All right. And guys, I always choose the back because I figured for you guys it's visually more appealing to see all the guys in front of me. Oh man. Woo! Alright, we had a long day at work and then randomly organized a nice little ride with these boys. Let's go!
I like the helmet.
Alright, man. We got Tom, Brandon, Arvin, and Mao. You guys have been seeing these guys pop up in my vlogs. Met these two at a gas station, which is funny. And yeah, man, hopefully we just meet more people at the gas station and keep building a little group. This dude's always rocking out, man, playing the air guitar. Where am I gonna go fill up some gas? Alright, this looks like a nice little spot right here. Woo! Alright. Alright. I think I'm just gonna go until my battery dies on this one, guys. And I think we're doing a little city run. I was able to convince Brandon, because he said he didn't want to ride late, convinced him to ride with us. I dressed up a little bit heavy. I don't know if the weather said that it was going to be a little bit cooler tonight, so let's see how this goes. I should probably take a piss too. Oops, splurting some gas everywhere, dude. Alright, I gotta go take a piss. Woo! Whoop! Alright, we got the gang. Let's go. You ready, dude? Yeah. Yeah, let's avoid tolls. Hey, look at this beauty. Alright, gloves on. Time to make it happen. I'm excited. A little city ride. We've always talked about doing it, but we've never done it. And so today should be pretty chill. Mao seems to be the crazy one with us always, and he said that he needs to chill out a little bit. So hopefully it's a nice relaxing ride. All right, and like I said before, I always choose the back because that way you guys can see everybody when we're riding. All right, Mao said he wasn't gonna get crazy, and there he goes. I guess now I'm pretty happy I wore my jacket. We're like 5 minutes into the ride and I already have bugs all over my visor. I mean, I'm almost going 100, man. You could definitely feel the weather now getting a little bit cooler. Man, Tom's just got his legs up, just enjoying the ride, man. Dude, said we would chill out. We've been going like 90 the whole way. What's up, boys? What's up, buddy? Woo. How's your bike feeling? Good? It was the tires?
What up?
It's the tires that you said need to chill?
It's just the rear tire that I need to chill out.
Yeah. Bro, you've been going 100 the whole way.
Yeah, man, I'm good. As long as I don't do burnout, I'm good.
Yeah.
This gentleman and best dressed goes to
Let's go.
What the man? You just have GQ out fishing before you ride?
Always, man. Dude, how's your eyes?
Crying like a mother.
Oh yeah, your eyes are red as You should see if they have something in there you can get.
I mean, it's all good.
You need goggles, dude.
I didn't know we were gonna be doing.
I didn't know either. I didn't know either, dude. I thought we were
Cruising, dude, it's totally.
I thought we were doing like lake along the lake. I knew it. Being in the city, that was gonna happen. All right, so this gas station doesn't have a bathroom, and we all need to pee. So it looks like we're about to go behind the warehouse. Ooh, that was a pretty rough bump that I just hit.
A few moments later.